Birla Public School Ganganagar organized a special assembly by class 10th A centered on the theme Fearless, Focus More, Beat Exam Stress and commenced with the traditional Tilak ceremony and the symbolic lighting of the lamp, which represented the removal of darkness and the beginning of wisdom. As the event moved forward, the students presented an insightful Hindi panchang followed by the word of the day and motivational thoughts in both English and Hindi. A short biography provided a glimpse into an inspiring life journey.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, one of India's most distinguished scientists and a former president of our country. He was born in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, in a humble family, and through perseverance and dedication, rose to great heights in his life.
Before the stage came alive with a graceful dance performance that connected the hearts of everyone present. The creativity continued with a meaningful skit and an expressive poem that left a positive impact on the audience.
Your stress is a good stress. It helps you motivate and do study better. De-stress is a bad stress. It makes you panic and forget everything. So we have de-stress right now. Exactly, but we can turn this into eustress.
But how?
Study a little every day.
डुबकियां सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है, जा जाकर खाली हाथ लौट कर आता है। मिलते नहीं सहज ही मोती गहरे पानी में, बढ़ता दुगना उत्साह इसी हैरानी में। मुट्ठी आखिर उसकी हर बार खाली नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती।
One of the most joyful segments involved the parents, who participated enthusiastically in interactive games that strengthened the bond between the school and the families. Our respected Vice Principal Ma'am and HM Ma'am then shared words of wisdom that motivated the students to keep striving for excellence, which was followed by a ceremony to recognize achievements through certificate distribution.
Your determination, your sincere efforts, your perseverance, your willpower, your beating the anxiety levels whenever you feel problems, challenging the obstacles in life, the very small steps you take, the decisions you take, how creative you are in solving your problems, each and every step will make you learn something.
The event concluded with a sincere vote of thanks, marking the end of a successful program. Birla Public School Ganganagar, a step ahead.